up, you guys? My name is Ben. I'm one of the digital media producers here at S3 Magazine, and behind me is not our Project Civic. This is actually Jake's Gambler Civic from Slightly Mangled. Be sure to follow his channel for more on this. We're going to be taking this thing this weekend to the Tennessee Gambler 500. Starts today when this video goes live and goes through Sunday. I just wanted to give you guys kind of a more informal, quick update on our Civic, the project car. It's currently sitting up on the lift down at the shop, and right now its current state is fully assembled in the front with power steering pump put on. Basically everything's on there, like the air conditioner system, just not with any belts for the time being, but all the mounts are torqued down, everything's tightened down. Everything looks really great sitting in there. Shout out again to Passport Performance for sending us those motor mounts. They look fantastic sitting in there. But everything is officially mounted up. We ran into a problem, but we're working on the solution right now on the wiring side of things. Basically, the car is OBD2A and the swap is OBD2B. And because this car is going to be an automatic, it kind of poses some challenges for us that we're kind of having to work through right now as far as getting it to wire up correctly and have everything work. So we're waiting on the solution for some sort of like a jumper harness to work with everything. We might be having to swap over the original harness from the D series that we pulled out of the car over to the B series to make it all work, but really it shouldn't be all too much that big of a deal overall. It's just gonna take some time to get the custom harness made and brought to us. So but if y'all can think of any other ideas for the time being, let me know down in the comments down below. If you guys are savvy on D to B swaps or OBD2A to OBD2B conversion, because normally you've got OBD2A to B like this way conversion. We're doing this way. It's the opposite. It doesn't really work out with the same components that you could find like relatively easily, but we know that solutions do exist, so we're gonna get on that. We just have to wait on those components. In the meantime, starting next week, we'll probably start working on some more rear end stuff, getting the rear end lift kit in and testing components and parts that are gonna go in for the all-wheel drive swap back there. We've run into some mathematical challenges such as the gas tank, so we're looking at doing possibly a fuel cell or modifying the fuel tank that's existing due to it taking up the same space as where the drive shaft is going to go in the back. So that's basically where we're at right now. Again, thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to hit the subscribe button if you're not subscribed already, and again, go check out Jake's channel. This thing is absolutely nuts. Anyway, you guys, take care and we'll see you in the next one. Later.